The sun wants to microwave your electronics. The ocean hides monsters. And the planet could just yeet itself off a cliff, again. Still feel safe? Welcome back to the terrifying truth. Earth is still trying to kill you. Let's talk about that warm yellow thing in the sky, the one you rely on for life. Light, and not freezing to death. The sun. It's not your friend. Sure, it's responsible for sunsets, beach days, and every romantic scene ever set to acoustic guitar. But it's also a giant nuclear reactor that occasionally throws fits known as solar flares. Solar flares are sudden eruptions of energy that can blast out plasma and radiation at terrifying speeds. Sometimes they're chill, sometimes they're Carrington event levels of, let's fry the planet's electronics like a discount toaster. That actually happened in 1859, back when the worst thing we had was telegraphs. Today, imagine every satellite, power grid, and navigation system going poof. Planes, hospitals, internet, gone. You'd have to start sending texts via carrier pigeon. And let's not forget the long game. The sun is very slowly getting hotter. In a few 100 million years, Earth will be a crispy, waterless wasteland. But hey, that's future you's problem. Present you still has SPF 50. The sun giveth life, and then occasionally threatens to delete your Dropbox. Imagine a volcano. Now imagine it's the size of a continent's worst day. That's a supervolcano. They don't erupt often, but when they do, they rewrite history. Take Yellowstone, for example. Underneath those cheerful geysers and selfie-taking tourists is a magma chamber the size of several cities. If it erupts, we're not talking about lava casually strolling down a hill, we're talking planetary blackout. Ash clouds blotting out the sun, global temperatures dropping, crops failing, and your sourdough starter dying from lack of light. It's basically Earth's version of flipping the table and rage-quitting life. And here's the fun part. We're not sure how much warning we'd get. Weeks? Months? Long enough to panic buy toilet paper again? Supervolcanoes are why every geologist you know has a faint look of panic in their eyes. Because when Earth decides to exhale, you'd better not be within 3 zip codes of a national park. Ah, the ocean. Soothing, vast, romanticized in movies and songs. Also, deep, dark, and absolutely teeming with death traps. We've explored more of the moon than our own oceans. That's not poetic exaggeration, it's just statistical sadness. The deep sea is basically Earth's do not disturb folder. Filled with crushing pressures, blind monsters, and boiling acid vents. Fun. If you were to dive into the Mariana Trench, the pressure would implode you before you could say, bad idea. It's like trying to nap inside a trash compactor made of seawater. And don't forget rogue waves. These bad boys appear out of nowhere, twice the height of surrounding waves, and can sink entire ships. You know, just in case you were planning to go full Moby Dick on your next cruise. Basically, the ocean is Earth's version of a haunted house, but bigger, wetter, and less forgiving. Every dip in the waves is a roll of the dice. But hey, at least the beach has piña coladas. You probably haven't thought about asteroids today, which is wild, because some of them are thinking about you. Earth gets hit by space rocks all the time. Most of them are tiny and burn up like nature's version of trash incineration. But occasionally, one makes it through. Ask the dinosaurs how that went. Oh wait, you can't. Because asteroids. We're talking about chunks of metal and rock the size of stadiums. Flying at you faster than anything you've ever seen outside a Fast and Furious movie. If one hits, it's not just, oops, crater, it's global winter, mass extinction, Netflix cancelled forever. NASA tracks thousands of near-Earth objects. They're really good at it. Mostly, but every now and then, one slips by and we get headlines like, bus-sized asteroid barely misses Earth. Barely, as in oopsies. So yes, you're living on a giant rock, while smaller rocks occasionally threaten to delete you. You probably associate radiation with nuclear plants, superhero origin stories, and warning signs with too many triangles. But Earth's been leaking radioactive stuff since forever. Deep underground are pockets of naturally occurring uranium, thorium, and potassium-40 just casually doing radioactive things. No mad scientist required. Even the groundwater in some places has radon gas, an invisible, odorless radioactive gas that seeps into basements like it pays rent there. And let's not forget cosmic rays, which blast through our atmosphere like energetic gremlins, occasionally messing with electronics or, your DNA. Earth's magnetic field shields us from most of it, but again, that field has mood swings. Remember? Oh, and bananas? Slightly radioactive. Yep, so is your granite countertop. Your body too. Carbon-14 is in your bones. Basically, everything around you is very slightly glowing with invisible, spicy particles, and we're all just chill about it because, statistically, it hasn't vaporized us yet. So congrats. You're a glowing meat puppet riding a radioactive rock through an interstellar shooting gallery. You ever wear a jacket in the morning and then get heat stroke by lunch? That's not just annoying, it's the micro version of Earth's very real climate instability. The climate is basically Earth's thermostat, and we've been fiddling with the settings like raccoons on espresso. Greenhouse gases? Pumped. Ice caps? Melting. Oceans? Boiling slowly like a frog in denial. But even before humans joined the chaos party, Earth's climate was wildly unstable. Ice ages, sudden warm spells, mini ice ages, and times when the whole planet was a tropical swamp. It's like the weather has commitment issues. Now, we've supercharged it. Rising sea levels, mega droughts, unseasonal snowstorms, wildfires so big they need names. Earth's throwing out extreme weather like a DJ with a broken bass knob. If the planet were a person, it would be the friend who doesn't believe in plans and also keeps setting things on fire. You never know what mood it'll be in next. Finally, here's the ultimate plot twist. Earth isn't even standing still while trying to kill you. It's yeeting itself through space at 67.000 miles per hour around the Sun, which is also zooming through the galaxy at 500.000 miles per hour. The entire solar system is doing cartwheels through a cosmic hurricane, and we're just hanging on. We're flying through asteroid clouds, dodging gamma bursts, weaving around black holes, and passing through space dust that might do absolutely nothing, or everything. You're basically sitting on a cosmic tilt-a-whirl strapped to an unlicensed firework. And you don't even feel it. There's no seatbelt, no brakes, and no one's driving. Earth is just doing donuts in the galactic parking lot while trying to shake you off with lava, storms, earthquakes, and sky lasers. But hey, somehow, we're still here, drinking iced coffee, posting memes, and pretending gravity won't betray us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy weird, slightly horrifying facts delivered with a smile. See you next time.